Welcome to part 2 of the Central Midlands Stationary Engine Society. It's a bit blowy, so I'll just give you a few clips of what's going on here today.
Where are we, mate? Yeah. Is that the one for next to there? Yeah. Go from there. Next time keep it from the end to the end. I'll make it some big ribs and shit. I know we can't stop.
Now instead of a tractor that can do 12 miles an hour, it's just doing 45 at the road. You can't stop it.
It's just got double.
The brakes are problem.
It's just got double speed. Speed double with. The cup is good. Oh, I'll be quite honest with
For some reason they got this marrow mixed up with my father, so my father actually got first prize in the best marrow. But overall I've done really well. Well, these are my dad's efforts. Which one's that then? Oh, that one. That one's yours.
Yeah.
You've done alright, haven't you?
Right, just peanut, what do you do? the secret is, you supposed to chop it up, feed it, and leave it for a couple of hours, right? Not me. Chop it up, 2 weeks, leave it standing in the fridge. Right? Take it out, shake it off, pop. Leave it a week, or open it.
You're not swapping these around, are you? Well done, Pops.
Well, fancy putting a red rose in.
Ah, but it doesn't say it has to be a
Last
lot,
prize.
it just has a rose.
Rose, yeah.
Walking around here, kicking. Walk around here. He's wagging his tail from it. When I'm coming out of the door, and the trouble is, this year was absolutely
So that's my father's marrow. Hopefully they've sorted that out.
Well, we went the Vikings now one year, yeah. The beer tents become the church service. So all the Vikings couldn't go and have a pint of beer before the share. So they all started stood outside the entrance singing Viking songs while the church service was going on.
So my father's ancient horse mucky. It's done really well with our 2 pumpkins, one in the middle there, and my plant on the right. There'll probably be a presentation later, but hopefully I won't lose yet. If I do, there'll be another part. I'll bring you back later. I'm going to cut you loose now, guys. I want to take some still photos of my vegetables, and we'll show you anything that I've got at a later date. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, and for everybody's support, especially for the Central Midland Vintage Stationary Engine Society vintage gatherings and their produce show. Happy gardening, everyone. Till next time.